Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Installing Evolution. Once your system is up to date, you can proceed with the installation of Evolution. You need to use the following command. When the installation is finished, you can go to your desktop and looking for the Evolution by typing the Evolution in your search bar or just by using the icon. If you have any question, leave them in comments.